Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Shella. So today's video I have another new unboxing video, and it's gift from my husband. So this is my late Valentine's gift. So I don't know what's inside of this, but before that I just want to say thank you for clicking this video, and if you do like this video, please consider to subscribe. So okay guys, let's start unboxing this. So I did not open this yet, and I have no idea what's inside of this box. This is my late Valentine's gift from my husband. So let's open this box. I am so excited with this. What's inside of this, because it's a small box. Oops, why is this hard to open? Okay, I made a mistake. I think I have to open this over here. Okay guys, I am so excited to see what's inside of this. So this is what it looks like inside. Let's see. Wow, look at this. This is the one that I want, and I did not know that he ordered this online. So this is what's the inside of that box. So let's open this one. Oh my god, it's a watch. Wow, this is the one that I want. Oh, it's so beautiful. This is the Versace watch. Oh my god, look at that guy. It's so cute with this Versace logo here, or whatever you call this one, and there's like a diamond around. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, look at that guys. Oh my gosh, I love this one. Well, it is very big for me. I need to go somewhere to adjust this one because it's too big for me. But look at that guys. Oh my god, look at that. It's so beautiful. So we'll see how much this one is. So it says here crystal Swarovski. So there is like a crystal Swarovski over here on the side. That's how it looks like. And then the strap is, there's like some design over here on the side. This is so beautiful. And then one thing I love this one is the face, because there is a Versace face here, or head. It is so beautiful. I've been wanting this so much. So I did not know that he ordered this online for my Valentine's gift. So last Valentine's, he was not here, he was working, so we did not even do a date. Then I did not know he surprised me about this watch, because he knows I really want this one. So okay guys, let's see how it looks like when you put it on your wrist. So this is how it looks like when you put it on your wrist. It is too big for me. It is too big for me, but I have to go somewhere to adjust this one. Take up some link over here because it's too big. But look at that, it's so beautiful. I love this one. I've heard this before. This is like their bestseller watch of Versace, and also the price is very affordable. I think this one is like 300 something, like almost $400. So yeah, so I love this one. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my gosh, so beautiful, guys. If you're planning to buy a watch, try to get one for yourself like this. It is very beautiful. I love the gold with the black dial, plus this Versace here in the middle, and some diamond around on the face. It makes more look classy with this watch. So this one, I think you can just wear this any outfit. It's kind of like a very casual watch. It's so classy too. Oh my gosh, I like this one. So okay guys, I found a card here inside, and he ordered this in this site, Madalux. How is that you pronounce it? Madalux timepieces. So this is where he got this watch, and it has 2-year limited warranty. So this one has a 2-year limited warranty, and also they give this one the warranty card, and also there is a care card for this watch. It's a Versace. So I am very happy, guys, even though it is a late Valentine's gift, but it's worth it because this is the one on my wish list. Now I already have it. I am very much happy with this Versace watch. So okay guys, I hope you like this surprise unboxing that I have from my husband, and hope you enjoyed watching this video. And if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell button so you will be notified every time I will post a new video. See you soon again, guys. Stay safe and bye.